हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अन अकेडमी। आज मैं एक और वीडियो लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए एंड दिस इज़ फॉर स्पेशली फॉर द यंग जनरेशन। आई जस्ट केम अक्रॉस दिस नॉलेज एंड आई फेल्ट कि ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल माई लर्नर्स शुड लर्न दिस and should know about this. They should be aware, and this is especially for those who are looking for some employment or who are willing to get into job or someplace. Okay, so we'll have a quick session, not too much in detail. Okay, so welcome to an academy. Let's crack it. You can crack GATE or engineering services with India's largest online learning platform. My name is Reva, and मैं पिछले कुछ सालों से I've been training students for different competitive exams. If you haven't downloaded the Unacademy app yet, guys, this is the time to download it right now. You can use my referral code REVA10 for first time accessing any of the lectures. It will ask you for a referral code, so you can use my code. When you download this app, you will be getting free daily live classes, free live tests and quizzes. All the structured courses would be there, all the courses would be structured, and you will get unlimited access. साथ ही दो तरह के सब्सक्रिप्शन है हमारे. फर्स्ट वी हैव द आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन इन विच विल गेट अ पर्सनल कोच. यू विल गेट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मेन्स, एंड यू विल ऑल्सो गेट अ वंडरफुल स्टडी ट्रैकर वेर इन यू कैन just evaluate your progress in bi-weekly reviews, and you will get all the benefits of plus subscription. So what do you get in plus subscription? What are the benefits of plus subscription? In the plus subscription, you get daily live classes, live tests and quizzes. You get structured courses as well as you get unlimited access. Okay, so you can learn with the top educators of the country. There are a variety of courses, there are a variety of top educators, and there's no restriction to any particular subject. You can, even if you are from some other branch and you want to study the topic of any other branch, or you are targeting some other exam, you can very well go for it. And we have two types of subscription. For this plus subscription, you can use my referral code REVA10 to get instant 10% discount on your plus subscription. This is the rate card of plus subscription. And in order to get the iconic subscription also, you can use my referral code REVA10. In the iconic subscription, we have two options, 12 months as well as 24 months. सो गाइज आइकॉनिक में इतना टाइम तो लगेगा अगर आपको कोई अच्छी तैयारी करनी है, तो आज ही इसके लिए एनरोल कीजिए अगर आपने नहीं किया है अब तक, और अगर आपने कर लिया है तो प्लीज़ आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, क्लासमेट्स, एवरीबडी टू एनरोल फॉर दिस. एंड वी हैव दिस अनअकैडमी कॉम्बैट coming up now on 28 February at 11 a.m. It's totally free of cost. It's for the next GATE and ESE exam, and there are many scholarships to be won in this Unacademy Combat. So if you want to go for it, lots and thousands of students all over the country would be participating in. It's totally free. Just enroll for it. Just download the app. Use my coupon code REWA10, REWA10. Use my referral code and just enroll for it. There are many prizes to be won. If you are amongst the top 3 rankers, then you get complimentary Unacademy Plus subscription for the tenure of your choice. Now you can go for either 6 months or 12 months or 18 months or 24 months of plus subscription. Now if you are ranked 4 to 10, then 75% off. If you achiever secure a rank between 11 to 50, then 50% off. And if you secure a rank between 51 to 100, then 25% off on Unacademy Plus subscription you will be getting. Okay, so guys, enroll for it today itself. Now this is just some important information which I felt that you can go through it. So first of all, these are some free online education websites apart from Unacademy. Now Unacademy is undoubtedly the biggest platform in India for online education. इसके अलावा there are many other platforms like you have Coursera, you have TEDx or edX, you have Khan Academy, Udemy, many such. You have iTunes, you free courses, MIT Open Courseware, Stanford Online, Co Academy, ICT IITR, that is IIT Roorkee, and ICT IITK, that is IIT Kanpur, and you have NPTEL. Now most of you must be aware about this, but let me give you some brief or some insights about these. These are actually the websites which run their own online courses. Like for example, Coursera. Now if you enroll for a course in Coursera, there are a variety of courses available, and these are all the certified courses I'm talking about. Okay guys, so these are all the certified courses. So जैसे ही आप Coursera में enroll करते हैं, there are many courses you can select from, maybe pertaining to your specialization or some general courses are there. Like for example, I have myself done a course on parenting from Coursera. So if you are right now free in your life, or you have taken a break, you have taken a drop and preparing for some exams, then achieving certificates from one of these online portals is a great option. See, NPTEL certificate has a lot of value. If you go to NPTEL, you can just register for the courses. Registration is totally free of cost, and for appearing for the exam you need to pay some amount. But इनकी जो certificates आपके पास रहेंगे, you can add them in your resume. You can just add them in your resume, make it a part of your resume, and also their knowledge is excellent. So these are different courses, not just related to your academics, different things. Okay, so these are all the sites for online free education. You can go through any of them. And during Corona times or during the pandemic times, lockdown times, most of these courses were made free by these websites. You can access them. Okay, now comes a very important slide which says 10 tech skills in demand. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, आजकल क्या चल रहा है दुनिया में ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू स्टे अपडेटेड विद द लेटेस्ट टेक्निक्स, लेटेस्ट नॉलेज एंड द नो हाउ, द स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी. So guys, machine learning, ML, lot of people are talking about AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, then mobile development, SEO, SEM marketing, data visualization, data engineering has gained a lot of momentum in the past few days. UI UX design, cybersecurity, cloud computing and blockchain as well as Internet of Things. ठीक है, blockchain भी आपने सुना होगा. This is actually quite related to IT. So some civil engineering or mechanical engineering or electrical engineering students might feel कि ये क्या है. But guys, अगर आप civil या mechanical से भी हैं तो भी आपको ये सब चीज़ें आनी चाहिए. इवन इफ यू आर फ्रॉम कोर ब्रांचेस, यू मस्ट हैव इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट एवरीथिंग. नाउ एवरीथिंग, सी IoT हैज़ अ ह्यूज एप्लीकेशन इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग. ओके, सो all these are techniques, these are all tech skills which are in demand right now in the market. And if you want to make a good career, if you want to kickstart your career in a very good way in a very reputed company or something like that, then you need to learn all these, or at least have basic knowledge about all these things. And you can add some or all of these as a part of your skill set in your resume, and that will be more than enough to impress, to give a first good impression to the recruiting panel. Okay, the next is top 10 sites for your career. Now, if you are a fresher or if you are an experienced person, see, for a fresher, it is very easy. You can just, like throwing a ball in the air, you can just throw your resumes to everywhere and start looking for jobs. But as and when you get experience, when you are on board, when you are a part of the industry, when you are a part of the whole work culture, it becomes more and more stressful for you to go for different jobs. You must have heard of all these. One is LinkedIn, one is Indeed, one is Naukri, then Monster, then Jobbait, Career Cloud, Dice, Career Builder, Jibber Jobber, and Glassdoor. These are all the portals, all the websites that you can study for. Okay, then 10 sites to learn Excel for free. Okay, so Excel एक बहुत ही important, it has emerged as one of the most important iconic tools for any person working in any kind of an industry. So you have Microsoft Help, you have Excel Exposure, you have Chandu, you have Excel Center, then Contextures, Excel Hero B, Mr. Excel, Improve Your Excel, Excel Easy, and Excel Jet. So these are all the web resources available to learn Excel efficiently. Now Excel can do wonders. आप सोच भी नहीं सकते वो सब चीज़ें Excel में हो सकती हैं. थोड़ा बहुत Excel चलाने वालों को ऐसा लगता है कि हमें Excel आता है, but guys trust me, जितना आपको आता है उससे ज़्यादा ही Excel में. Excel इतना बड़ा है कि some of the top IT persons have claimed that in the coming years all the things will be amalgamated to Excel, all the latest concepts. Okay, and these are 10 sites to review your resume for free. 10 sites to review your resume for free. So we have Zeti Resume Builder, we have ResumeOnk, we have Resume.com, Visual CV, CV Maker, ResumeUp, Resume Genius, Resume Builder, Resume Baking, and Enhance. You can use all these sites to update your resume for free. Your resume is your first phase. It is the first impression that you make on any employer. जब आप पहली बार कुछ कहीं बेचते हैं तो आप अपना resume ही बेचते हैं. तो in place of meeting you, if somebody sees your resume, then that has to be impressive. So these are some of the sites. You can just take note of these and you can go for resume preparation. And these are 10 sites for interview preparation. You have mymockinterview.com, you have Ace the Interview, you have Geeks for Geeks, LeetCode, Gainlow, Career Cup, Coder Career, Interview Up, Interview Best and India Bigs. So these are all the top 10 sites जहाँ पर आप इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. Some of them might be paid also, but they definitely must be providing some of the other free content. So guys, grab all these opportunities. Okay, so these are some of the important things that I wanted to share with you. Some crisp information. Hope this comes in handy. And अगर आपको ये शॉर्ट वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक कीजिए, मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा. इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्लीज़ गाइज डोंट फॉरगेट टू यूज़ माई रेफरल कोड REVA10. ठीक है, hit the bell icon for all the notifications and join the Telegram group for the latest updates on upcoming videos. Thank you guys, all the best, bye.